You yell at them and they scurry away in fear. You use physical force and they become aggressive. Why does human discipline fail so miserably with cats? The truth is simple. Cats do not understand the concept of a mistake in the way humans do. They are simply reacting to the world around them. To change their behavior, we must stop thinking like humans and start decoding the complex language of feline biology and environmental psychology to find real solutions. Whether it is jumping on the kitchen counter, scratching your favorite chair, or missing the litter box, these actions are messages that we often fail to read. When a cat breaks your rules, they aren't being spiteful or naughty. They are following a million years of evolution that tells them to climb and explore. Welcome to the world of experimental psychology for felines. Today, we will learn how to set boundaries without ever raising our voices or using a hand. By the end of this guide, you will possess the secret code to a harmonious home, built on trust rather than fear, and mutual respect instead of force. Traditional discipline is a total failure. Shoving a cat's nose into a mess only creates a creature that is terrified of you, not one that learns habits. Experimental psychology proves that physical punishment causes cortisol levels to spike. This stress shuts down the prefrontal cortex, making it impossible for the cat to learn. Instead of associating the punishment with their action, the cat associates the pain with the owner. To them, you have simply become an unpredictable and dangerous predator. When the amygdala is triggered by fear, the cat enters a survival state. In this mode, logical connection is lost, and the bond of trust is permanently damaged. Discipline through fear only teaches the cat to hide the behavior when you are present. It never addresses the underlying urge that caused the behavior initially. This is why your cat only listens when you are looking. Without your presence, the environment still invites them to do exactly what you just punished them for. Data shows that negative reinforcement leads to secondary behavioral problems, like redirected aggression toward other pets or even their owners, making the situation much worse. A cat's world is built on sensory input and immediate consequences. If the consequence doesn't happen at the exact millisecond of the act, the lesson is lost. Spray bottles are another myth. They teach the cat that water comes from you, making them dislike you rather than disliking the act of scratching your sofa. To truly unlock a cat's cooperation, we must move away from the dictator model and toward the architect model by redesigning the world they live in. We will now explore how environmental modification creates a silent code of conduct that guides your cat effortlessly toward the behaviors you actually want to see. Don't try to change the instinct, change the environment. This is the golden rule of feline psychology. If they can't fail, they will always succeed. The block the opportunity technique uses passive deterrence. Double-sided tape on a sofa makes the surface unpleasant to touch, without you ever having to say no. Pair every no with a yes. If the sofa is off limits, place a tall, sturdy scratching post right next to it. The cat will choose the better surface. Aluminum foil or motion-activated air canisters act as environment punishers. The environment itself delivers the message, keeping your relationship with the cat purely positive. Introducing the cat highway. By installing wall shelves, you satisfy their vertical instinct. When they have a high path, they stop jumping on your dining table. Height equals confidence for a cat. A well-designed vertical environment reduces territorial stress, which is the root cause of many aggressive or destructive behaviors in the home. Consider the scent map of your home. Cats communicate through smell. Moving a litter box to a location where they feel safe can solve most bathroom issues. Use pheromone diffusers to signal that a space is safe. These synthetic scents mimic a cat's natural facial markers, lowering their overall anxiety levels significantly. When the environment meets their predatory needs, the drive to destroy your furniture vanishes. You are simply redirecting their energy into appropriate, pre-planned channels. This is architecture for the soul. By modifying the space, you are speaking to their instincts in a language they understand, without ever needing to use words. Novelty is also key. Rotating toys and cardboard boxes keeps the environment mentally stimulating, preventing the boredom that often leads to furniture shredding and midnight chaos. Incorporate working for food. Puzzle feeders turn mealtime into a hunting game, burning off mental energy that would otherwise be used for unwanted mischief. A cat that has its own territory within your home feels no need to challenge yours. This environmental harmony is the foundation of true discipline. Now that the stage is set, we can look at how to reinforce specific actions through the power of positive experimental psychology and rewards. Positive reinforcement is the master key. We don't teach them what not to do, we teach them what is profitable to do in every situation. Enter clicker training. The sound of the click marks the exact moment of success, creating a bridge between the action and the coming reward. When the cat sits and hears a click, they know a treat is coming. You are literally rewriting their neural pathways to favor good behavior. The 3-second rule is vital. If you reward them after 10 seconds, they have already forgotten why. Timing is everything in the feline mind. Not all rewards are equal. Use a hierarchy. Regular kibble for easy tasks, and high-value treats like freeze-dried meat for learning difficult new boundaries. Don't forget emotional rewards. For many cats, a gentle scratch in their favorite spot or a kind word is just as motivating as food. You are building a conditioned reflex. Eventually, the cat will choose the correct behavior automatically because it has become their most rewarding option. This loop transforms your cat's personality. They stop being a troublemaker and start being a partner who is eager to engage in the games you play. Equally important is negative punishment, which simply means removing attention. If a cat bites during play, the game ends immediately. No yelling, just silence. The absence of interaction is a powerful message. It teaches them that certain behaviors cause the fun to vanish, which is a lesson they hate to learn. Always catch them being good. Most owners only notice their cat when they do something wrong. Flip the script and reward the quiet moments. Rewarding calm behavior is the secret to a peaceful household. You are reinforcing a relaxed state of mind, which prevents future outbursts of destructive energy. This method takes patience, but the results are permanent. You aren't just training a cat, you are building a language of love and reward. Now, let's apply these scientific principles to the most common real-world problems that every cat owner faces in their daily life. Case 1. The midnight zoomies. Does your cat wake you up at 3 a.m.? This is often a sign of an unfulfilled predatory cycle. The solution is the hunt, eat, groom, sleep sequence. Play intensely with a feather toy right before bed, then provide a large, satisfying meal. After eating, their biology naturally triggers grooming and deep sleep. By aligning your schedule with their rhythm, you reclaim your night of rest. Case 2. Biting hands. If you use your hands as toys, the cat learns that skin is prey. This is a dangerous lesson to teach. Always use a buffer toy, like a wand or a kicker. If they bite your hand, go limp and stop all play. Never pull away fast. Pulling away fast triggers their prey drive, making them bite harder. By going still, you become dead prey, which is boring and not fun to hunt. Case 3. Missing the litter box. Before you think it's a behavior issue, remember that 50% of these cases are actually medical. Bladder stones or infections cause intense pain. The cat associates that pain with the litter box and tries to go elsewhere to find relief. Always consult a veterinarian first. If it's not medical, check if the box is dirty or if it's placed in a high-traffic, scary area.
Don't forget to
Case
share
4.
your story
Inter-cat
with us.
aggression. This is almost always about resources. In a cat's mind, everything is a competition for survival if space is limited. Apply the rule of n+1. You need one more of everything than you have cats. 3 cats mean 4 litter boxes and 4 feeding stations. Abundance removes the need for conflict. When a cat knows there is enough for everyone, their defensive walls come down and peace returns. Every behavior is a message. Instead of being angry, ask yourself, what is my cat trying to tell me right now? And listen with your heart. Mastering these 3 pillars, understanding, environment, and rewards, is the only way to achieve lasting discipline that doesn't sacrifice your cat's spirit or happiness. When you stop punishing and start providing, the transformation is miraculous. Your cat becomes the companion you always dreamed they could be. Discipline is not an imposition of power, but an act of deep understanding and careful direction. It is about creating a shared world together. When you begin to think like a cat, the barriers between your 2 species begin to dissolve, replaced by a profound and silent bond. Be patient. Change takes time, but this journey toward a more humane way of living with our feline friends is worth every single effort. Every small success is a step toward a better life for both of you. Remember, a happy cat is a well-behaved cat by nature. We want to hear from you. Have you tried these environmental hacks? Share your success stories and challenges in the comments below to help others. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the secret psychology of your pets. Together, we can build a kinder world. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep listening to the silent language of your cat and enjoy the beautiful bond you share today.